My name is Elumir and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about life after retirement. Please don't forget to share, like, comments or subscribe on this new channel. Your support is highly appreciated. Thank you. Toodaloo. Well, it's a sunny day flying over San Francisco, California. A big difference from Calgary's weather, snowy and cold. It's one of the reasons why we took this 10 days Mexican Riviera winter getaway cruise. Princess Cruise Line embarkation here in San Francisco. We should be landing very shortly here in San Francisco International Airport, and once we got all our luggages, we should be heading directly to the hotel, which is the Holiday Inn at Fisherman's Wharf here in California, San Francisco, California. We are now here in the Fisherman's Wharf walking, looking for something to eat for lunch. Just a light snack for lunch, because I'm looking forward for a big dinner with crabs and all seafoods that we can find. So this is just calamari and clam chowder soup, and we also tried some fish and chips for lunch. After a light lunch, we are now to explore the Fisherman's Wharf and visit their Pier 39, their famous attractions here in San Francisco, California. It should be a very interesting walk, and there's, as you can see, there's lots of people walking around, and it's a little bit cold. This afternoon it's kind of windy. You can see the trees, the wind are just blowing hard. We are now entering the Pier 39 attractions. As you can see, there's lots of bars, souvenir shops, there's lots of restaurants. Visiting Pier 39 in the Fisherman's Wharf here in San Francisco is a must. If you are already here in San Francisco, California, you got to be here. You have to taste all the restaurants. Well, most of the restaurants, they're all really good. Well, as you can see, even pigeons had a wonderful walk around Pier 39. There are just so many things to do, so many things to see, and you can think that all the souvenirs shop are the same, but they are not. Every single one of them is different, and you would believe it. Here at Pier 39, Christmas still exists. There's a souvenir for all the Christmas paraphernalia, all the Christmas balls for trees, Christmas trees decorations is still available here in Pier 39.
Okay, the merry-go-round here. Gimana stas?
Of course, the carousel rides are always a big attraction for kids. For a price, everything here costs money. Today this area is closed because of the weather. As you can see the flag, the wind is just blowing. Security guards are patrolling the area, not letting anyone to go in. This is supposed to be the area where you can watch all the sea lions. They're just right now they're not there. Every hour in this little stage here, there's a show. Could be magic show, or it could be singing, or playing guitars, or playing any instrument. But almost every hour, there's always a show here. There's some benches there that you can sit and watch them. As mentioned earlier, here in Pier 39, as you can see, Christmas decorations is still available for you to purchase. I guess here in Pier 39, Christmas is not a seasonal thing, it's a year round, especially in this gift shop here. After a nice afternoon walk along San Francisco Fisherman's Wharf, we decided to have an early dinner. We also decide that we will just purchase 2 large crab, have them boiled and chopped so we can just eat in the hotel bare hand, Filipino style. We are now heading back to the hotel to have dinner and retired early and get ready for the next day. So please don't forget to subscribe, likes, and comments. I'll see you on the next vlog. Toodaloo!